bought this little guy thinking that it might not do the job, but I don't live on a ranch, so we went ahead and bought it because my wife had already bought a Greenworks trimmer, so she had the battery and charger. So the chainsaw by itself with this 12-inch bar is only about $65. It said it was good for about 75 cuts. I can tell you it did a lot more than that. It's very easy to maneuver with just one hand, and this is the work that I did on this Bradford pear tree. You know, pretty much covered my backyard. Worked out here for about 45 minutes. Not only cut the big branches through, some of the biggest ones are probably about 7 inches in diameter. Cut everything up into about 5 to 8 foot lengths all around it. Probably around 150 cuts, and that's with the small battery, not with the big battery. You can tell there's a little gap down here, so that would make room for the bigger battery. And as you can see, if I push this button here, it still has half a battery left. So overall, really happy with it.
Did not come with a battery. What is the reason somebody would buy this and not come with a battery? Here is the other package. Did not come with a battery.
Yeah, it's a Greenworks. Same with my mower. It's pretty sweet. Just got these big batteries.